Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. आज हम लोग जा रहे हैं टीपी, which is located in Arunachal Pradesh. Today we are exploring this serene and beautiful spot that's perfect for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. So let's go for it. Now you can see here we are going. Our fellow mates are going ahead of us and we are following them. And you know, this journey to Tipi Waterfall is an adventure in itself. The trail takes you through dense forest with vibrant greenery and fresh air all around. It's a short hike, but views make it absolutely worth it. It is worthful when you go to the Arunachal and visit there. And it was my expectation to go through Arunachal Pradesh, but fortunately it is a little bit fulfilled. But I have not gone so long. I wanted to go Tawang, Sisa, and more places. But unfortunately, it was a short day, and we had a busy schedule. That's why we could not cover the other places. Just we crossed the Balukpung gate and went to the waterfall. And I exactly don't know the name of the waterfall, but I have listened the name of the waterfall is Lam Lam. So I don't know actually. So keep watching the video till the end. Tipi Waterfall is not just about the waterfall itself. The entire area is surrounded by natural beauty. Rolling hills, dense forest, and the rich biodiversity that this region is known for. People are enjoying the waterfall, maybe some taking pictures or dipping their feet in the water. Visitors often come here to unwind, take pictures, or just sit by the water and soak in the tranquility. The waterfall creates a refreshing pool at the base, perfect for dipping your feet in and cooling off and the hike. There you can see my fellow mates, my colleagues, Daneshar, Pari and Nazmul are enjoying the waterfall. And I am here also, and I actually didn't want to go for it, but I had to go because they were enjoying and I was feeling so irritated. Actually it was so cold day, so I didn't want to go. Here you can see the raining situation out there in Arunachal Pradesh, and we were fully wet And here you can see Daneshwar is feeding the monkeys biscuits, and he is so kind-hearted towards the animal I have seen. And ये अच्छा लगता है देखने में अगर कोई एनिमल्स को फीड कराता है तो दिस वाज द अमेजिंग टू सी हिम डूइंग दिस. Whether you are here for a quick visit or staying nearby, Tipi Waterfall offers a peaceful escape into nature. It's a place where you can truly disconnect and reconnect with the natural world. Thank you for joining me on this journey to Tipi Waterfall. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.